Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Earn for Free. Today our topic is how to create Bitget Exchange. Download Bitget Exchange from Google Play Store. Install, then open. Now click on Get Started. Now select mobile number. Type your mobile number. Set your password. Don't forget to type @ and big A. Now set this referral code and click on create account. Type your verification code, then click on verify. Then click again on verify. Select ID type, country region of resident Pakistan. Select ID type ID card. Now click all countries expected USA. Now continue. Now capture the front picture of your ID card. Select back picture of your ID card, and then after completing face verification your account will be verified after 15 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.